project is a small step towards it. If we all come together, it is possible for all of us to make our earth a much better place to live in.
I have gone through the projects of Chinmay Pednekar. I read it thoroughly and I come to know that, and I really surprised the ideas behind it. That a 6-year-old girl is thinking about the global warming. It is really impressive for me. I am the principal of these schools. I am going to implement these projects with each and every one of my students, and I will force them to do it. If I involve all the students from my schools, and also I am going to make the advertisement of these other schools to involve their students for these projects. If all the students of my areas comes together, I know that we can grow the number of trees in this year only. The idea of this project is very good, and I wanted to implement it with all the students. This way, if these projects will implement in everywhere, in all the schools in India as well as in the world, I think without investing any single rupee from our pockets, we can grow the many trees which government cannot do in many years. And also, I wish to say that the idea of this project is that the children come to know about this global warming. Certainly, the near future world will be very better and the prosperous, because now the children's awareness of the children is very, very important in this project. Nowadays, we are reading about this global warming, but the awareness which is required for this is not there. So, I sincerely promise to Chinmay that we will implement these projects in our schools, and I will force to my all students to do it. Also, I will request my other colleagues, principals, to do these projects in their schools.
First of all, I'd like to appreciate Chinmay for taking part in this project and saving the nature. And besides it, I like to say that all the parents should also take part in this project and give knowledge to the child to save the nature. As I've seen that it is not she who have sown the seeds, it is the parents who have sown the seeds in the minds of the child to save the nature. And request to come forward, and not only for this project and also some other project like this should come forward to fight against the global nurture. So go ahead, all the best.
Very much. And I am going to implement it, and I am going to tell my daughter, her friends and my neighborhood, my colleagues and all about this. From my side, I am going to make it happen, basically, whatever I can do. And it is going to really help the society. It, at least in some way, is going to help the society. If not in a large, it's just a first step. We can implement it more and more next year. Only thing you require is media help. Media help is required, newspapers. Because I don't think so much of many of them know about it. That's what I want.
If you want this to go on, what ACs you have to avoid. AC is effective. Yeah. Okay. We will plan. We will help you. We will do. We will tell your friends. We will
tell Yashna also now. From Yashna,
we will have this all.
Dry mango seeds and all.
Yeah.
Okay.
We will have a day, and we will all go for a picnic and plan this plan.